Why do I have to be allergic to wool? Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Today, I have a very special video for you. Twice Sheared Sheep, the company that made this beautiful advent calendar that I opened all of December, is releasing new things into their shop today. In fact, they are from the advent calendar. So you've seen all of these before, but they are now in the shop, and I'm going to briefly talk through them, and they're going to be listed down below in the description box in the order of how I talk about them. So it should be very easy for you to find. I will be very open with you guys. I am an affiliate of Twice Sheared Sheep. Using the link down below does help me, but that helps you because that means I can make more content for you. So I just get a little bit back if you guys order from them using my links, but you don't have to. So, but I just try to make it as easy as possible. So the first item is the Poma Llama. The Poma Llama is a tassel maker, I-cord maker, and pom-pom maker all in one. Plus it's adorable. I have done a full review and tutorial on how to use it, linked right here. Actually, well, the video is here. I linked it down below. So that is the first item. Second item is the sock blocker. The sock blocker is made in pieces so that you can put them together and make any size you need in order to block your socks. This works for crochet and knitting. I know it's normally a knitting thing, but it does work for crochet. And I am really excited to make socks this year, so I get to use mine. There is a video all about that on my channel as well. I will show you how to use it and how to put it together and how to know which piece goes for which size. So they've got a smaller piece for a smaller foot, larger pieces for larger feet. And of course you can build it as you go. It can be an ankle sock, it can be a cruise sock, it can be a knee sock. Whatever sock you need, whatever size you need, there you go. So I will link that video down below for you as well. Next item is the Cord Quill I-cord maker. Whew, mouthful. It is a beautiful little 3-prong I-cord maker here. That's wooden. Isn't it beautiful? So this I was going to do a video on, but you guys, I got my dates mixed up for when this video was supposed to go out. So I don't have a video of this little guy yet. But if you want to purchase your own, it is beautiful. I love it. I will link the Twice Sheared Sheep one down below. Next is the Do the Thing stitch marker. When I got this item, I'll be honest, I was confused and I needed some clarification. Do the thing could mean several things. You put this little stitch marker on your work when you either need to remember that this is the row where you do the special stitch, or this is the row where you're going to seam up the sides or something. Whatever reminds you to do the thing, whatever the thing is for your project, it's like a little reminder. It's very cute. So that is in their shop as well. The row counter stitch markers. These are amazing. Plus they're beautiful, but these are so cool. These are stitch markers with numbers on them, so they can mark your rows or mark your stitches across, like how many stitches you've made. You know, when you're making a chain and you don't want to count like 150 stitches, or you lose count, you get one of these with the numbers on them and say, okay, this is 50, you mark 50. Then you can do a next 50, this is 100. So you don't lose count. Now, that is not why they made these. They made these to mark rows and stuff, but I am also trying to think in crochet brain that this would be really good to mark where you are when you're like chaining a bunch of chains and stuff and we lose track. So crocheters, you might want to get it for that. That's what I'm going to use it for. And knitters, it is to help mark your rows. But crocheters, you can use it for that as well. So, you know, this is for both people. This is supposed to be for both people, these kind of products. So that is on their website now as well. We also have the gauge ruler. It is clear, but it has a ruler. It has the little gauge block, so you can see your stitches inside. Oh my gosh, this one is so beautiful. I'm going to make a video on this. Again, guys, I ran out of time. I thought they told me the 31st, not the 13th. So I swapped my dates and I messed up on that. That's all me. They did not give me the wrong information. That is all me. But so my videos are not ready. Yes, I'm going to have a video all about the gauge ruler eventually. So I'm very, very excited. And oh my goodness, it's one of my favorite things that was in the box. It's just so good. Anyway, that's linked down below as well. Okay, on their site, they already have these beautiful little cat stitch markers, both for knitters and crocheters. The full circle that goes all the way around and connects to itself are for knitters, and the ones that are open are the ones for crocheters. I actually like that the crocheters get this one because it kind of looks like the kitty has a tail. I think it's cute. It looks like he has a little tail. Anyway, in the advent calendar, they came in gold. And for both knitters and crocheters, they put them in the shop. So excited you guys now get the beautiful metal gold kitty stitch markers, knitters or crocheters. Both of yours are in the shop. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. I'm so glad that other people get to have them because I just think they're beautiful. I love the rainbow ones. I have the rainbow ones, but the gold ones are just so stunning. So that is now in the shop as well. They also made some beautiful winter sets, which I don't think are sold out yet. So I'm going to link those below as well. But there are some really beautiful winter sets that they put together. Some of their stitch markers went with their yarn, some row counters. They just put like a little bundle together for you. They're so beautiful. I'm going to put pictures here. Are those not stunning? Oh, and the yarn is so beautiful. Why do I have to be allergic to wool? Anyway. So those are all the new things in the Twice Sheared Sheep shop. Whew, it's hard to say. I really hope you use the affiliate links down below if you buy anything or even if you look around because it does help me. But these are not going to last long. I don't know how many they're making, but whatever it is, when they're gone, they're gone. So remember, these are all wonderful luxury handmade items. They are made with love and care and beautiful and are going to last. They are really wonderful products. Twice Sheared Sheep always makes an amazing product. And I'm so happy that some of the stuff from the advent calendar, which is normally exclusive, is going to be in the shop. Very exciting. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this fun little impromptu almost video and that you are super excited to go see what they've got. So remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.